In this video, I'll tell you what to do if YouTube keeps lagging, freezing, or playing videos badly on your PC or laptop. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. If you use Google Chrome, the first thing you should check is graphics acceleration. Open Chrome, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner and go into Settings. From the menu on the left, open the System section. Find the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If this setting is currently enabled, turn it off and test YouTube again. If it is already disabled, turn it on instead and check whether the videos still lag. Different PCs can behave differently with this option, so testing both settings is the easiest way to find out which one works better for your setup. After every change, click Relaunch to restart Chrome because the new setting may not apply until the browser has been reopened. If YouTube is still stuttering, return to the browser settings and open Reset Settings. Select Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm the reset. This will restore the default Chrome configuration. Keep in mind that it will disable your installed extensions and remove saved cookies and website data, so you may need to sign into YouTube and other websites again. After the reset, reopen YouTube and check whether videos now play smoothly. The final method is changing your secure DNS settings. Open Privacy and Security in Chrome, then go into Security. Scroll down until you find Use Secure DNS and make sure it is enabled. Open the provider list and select either Google Public DNS or Cloudflare. After saving the setting, refresh YouTube and play the video again. One of these changes should help, but start with graphics acceleration because it is the fastest option to test. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.